Hey everyone, we hope you're doing good. Welcome back to the Finance Zone. In recent times, the economy has witnessed a major shift to the online mode. That is, e-commerce has begun in full swing. One of the great advantages of this is that there are plenty of job opportunities available now, most of which are very easy to do and make way to earning a lot of money. In this video, we will be talking about the 20 easy ways to make money online. Make it a point to watch to the very end of this video so that you don't miss out on a single one of these super easy ways to make money from the comfort of your own home. Number 20, become a Clickworker. Clickworker.com is a website that is based on internet crowdsourcing. Websites look for small specific tasks to be completed in exchange for some money. This is great because you can work at your own pace and choose which jobs you'd like to do. The jobs are usually data entry or form filling jobs, so they don't require any heavy skills. Just about anyone can do this kind of work. Try it out and be surprised at how much you can earn in a month. Number 19, sell clothes online. Selling secondhand clothes can be a big money maker. People love looking for cheaper alternatives to expensive clothes. With the rise of e-commerce, people are starting to ditch the thrift stores and are looking for their clothes online. You can sell some old clothes you don't want anymore and watch as the money comes in. You can set the prices to your liking and sell in a variety of ways. It's simple and helps you to earn. Number 18, gigs on Fiverr. Fiverr has recently built a reputation for selling strange services. From people dressed as Jesus giving out birthday messages to pranksters telling you how to do pranks, this website has it all. But recently, Fiverr has also built up a serious workforce of people who are selling legitimate online services. Many of these are website audits, graphic designs, and logo making. If you have a digital skill you'd like to sell, this website is for you. Building up your reputation may take a bit of time, but some people have claimed to make thousands of dollars a month. Number 17, start your own website. You don't need to go through a lot of trouble just to start a website. There are many tools out there that will help you to build one. If you choose to invest a bit of money, you can have one professionally made. This investment will be great because a good website can earn you a passive income. That means you'll constantly be earning money with little effort. It's easy and lucrative. Just monetize your site and you're all set. Number 16, sell stock photos. You've most likely heard of Adobe Stock Images or Getty Images. These are sites where you can pay a fee to get a collection of images that you can then use for your projects. Sometimes the fee is steep, but they usually have a large collection. Did you know that you can also earn from this? Just take some photos and add to their library and you can get paid. The best part is that you don't need much effort, just a nice camera that can take high quality images on a couple of subjects. They can be people or inanimate objects. The freedom is completely flexible. Number 15, rent your house out for filming. Filmmakers are always looking for places to film. If you live somewhere near a film school or in an area with a large number of filmmakers, you can actually rent out your house for filming. You can earn a couple of hundred to a couple of thousand in just a few days. Just find out the film's budget and get a range of how much they will pay you. And usually, the filmmakers will even give you free meals and make sure your house is left spotless when they leave. Awesome! Number 14, online survey. Online surveys are a popular way to earn quick cash. With legitimate sites, you can earn quite a decent amount of cash. It's simple really, you just need to answer some questions and earn. Businesses send out these surveys to figure out the best way to market and sell their projects, so by completing these surveys, you're helping them out. It may take up some time, but it is a great way to earn some quick cash. Number 13, buy and sell domain names. Domain names can be lucrative. How? By buying and selling them. To do this, buy a domain name that is catchy and has a possibility to be popular. One-word names are popular. Once you purchase this domain name, sit on it until someone wants to buy the name, then sell it at a higher price. It'll take some time and investments, but you'll find out why this is such a popular way of earning money. Number 12, sell secondhand course textbooks. Course books can be expensive. If you have purchased any in the past, you will know this. If you don't need yours anymore, someone else will, and they're willing to pay. There are plenty of people online looking for course books for discounted prices. They are always in high demand, and because of this, you can earn a quick buck selling yours. It's easy and risk-free. Number 11, become a mystery shopper. Mystery shoppers are great ways for shop owners to audit a shop and its workers. A mystery shopper is someone who gets paid to go to stores and shop. They then relay information back to the owners, giving detailed reports on how the employees are working, how easy it is to find what they need, and other important information to show how well the shop is going. Thankfully, there are plenty of open positions on the internet for mystery shoppers. It is a simple job and you can earn some nice chunks of change. Number 10, Disney Vault. This one is a bit of a hidden gem. The Disney Vault is where old Disney movies are kept until they are re-released years later. Some people have discovered a secret. If you buy these Disney films and they are out at a regular price, you can sell them for a big profit once they are locked up in the Disney Vault. A copy of the Blu-ray Beauty and the Beast sold for over $70 online once it was back in the Disney Vault. This little known technique can help you earn some cash with a bit of time. Number 9, become a babysitter. Babysitting is no way a new job. Teens have been babysitting to save up money for decades. But now it has become easier. There are actually websites online where you can find babysitting gigs in your area. This tool is great because you can set your own schedule. You can even choose how many kids you're willing to babysit. This is a great cash earner. Number 8, review websites and apps. Reviews are helpful and can tell content and media creators what they need to do in order to make their products better. That's why businesses and creators are always looking for people to review their work. Just like music reviews and surveys, websites and app developers will pay people to review their products. And you can be one of the people they pay. This is another way to earn that just needs a little bit of your time and effort. Number 7, get cashback while shopping. You can actually earn while shopping. It's true! There are apps out there that will help you to find discounts and earnings while you shop. These apps usually just have links to special shops that you can go to. Special prices will be added once you go to the checkout. It is a great way to save when you buy, especially when you need the extra cash. Number 6, be an extra. Everyone wants to be a star, right? Well, that isn't too easy, but sometimes filmmakers are looking for background actors. These are called extras, and you can earn easy cash this way. You don't need to be a skilled actor in order to be an extra. You can find gigs online and even sometimes on Facebook pages. These don't pay as big as main actors, but get enough of these gigs and you can earn big cash and maybe even some connections. Number 5, sell old CDs, movies and games. Secondhand items are always in demand. If you have some old DVDs, CDs or video games lying around, it is almost certain that someone is looking for it. You may think that nobody's looking for physical media anymore since we live in the digital age, but this is far from the truth. Physical media is always in demand on sites like eBay. So try selling your stuff today and see how fast the cash comes in. Number 4, delivery driver or rider. Food delivery apps such as Uber Eats are popular. Many customers flock to these apps at all hours of the day. Lucky for you, you can take advantage of this. You can become a delivery food driver or rider. There are plenty of options. You can use a car or a bike. You can even walk. This is a great job because it is flexible and you can earn a ton of cash. It is a popular part-time job and you can join in on it. Number 3, review music. Do you want to get paid to listen to and review music? Well, luckily you can. On the website Slice the Pie, you can get paid to review music. This may be a bit of a slow process since you need to build up a reputation, but once you get there, you can earn a good chunk of change each month. The earning will be music to your ears. Number 2, claim tax back. When you work a summer job or a part-time job, a large chunk of that goes to income tax. The same thing happens when you are part of a paid internship. This happens because employers put on emergency basic tax codes when they pay students. Students have a tax-free allowance that they rarely actually reach each year, but companies will usually disregard this. You can find out how much tax you can claim and get a huge bit of change back. And in the number 1 spot, become a YouTuber. YouTube is a huge platform. This site hosts many internet celebrities and their videos. There is also a way to make a living thanks to YouTube. YouTube has a partnership plan that helps monetize your videos. You can also make money on YouTube with ads or sponsorships. The earnings range from a couple of $100 a month to thousands of dollars a month. It all depends on how you monetize your content. This will definitely take a lot of time and effort, but many have shown that the outcome and earnings can be huge. Thanks for watching. While you are here, go ahead and click on one of these 2 videos on your screen. See you there.